Hi there fashion enthusiasts, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahad and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Melania Trump. From her early days as a model to her time as a first lady, Melania's fashion journey is a must-see. And of course, we will also be discussing on her high publicity divorce from Donald Trump. So let's get started. Melania was born in Slovenia in 1970 and began her modeling career at just 16 years old. She quickly gained attention of her stunning looks and appeared on the covers of numerous fashion magazines. As First Lady, Melania's fashion choices are highly scrutinized. She often wore designer gowns and dresses and was particularly fond of Dolce & Gabbana. Her style was classic, elegant and sophisticated, a true reflection of her European heritage. In 2022, Melania and Donald Trump announced their divorce after 18 years of marriage. The split was highly publicized, with many speculating about the reason behind their separation. Separate the drama, Melania has continued to thrive, focusing on her own interests and philanthropic work. Since leaving the White House, Melania's fashion choices have become even more daring and fashion-forward. She has been spotted in bold, bright colors and cutting-edge designs, a true departure from her more subdued First Lady style. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Mother Fashion YouTube channel for more fashion content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. My dear viewers and all my subscribers, if you are new here, you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. In this channel, you will see here 100 new design, 100 new ideas daily in my YouTube channel. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So my beautiful viewers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. And my beautiful viewers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers, thank you very much for watching my video and take care.